Muddy water. How's it going, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Well, let me just say this. It's been extremely hot down south. Definitely hot down south. This is just a quick ride video. I got out and just hit some back roads on my off day. The weather was semi-nice. I think it was like 88, 89. So just got out and got some riding in. Just want to check out some views, a road I've never been. Y'all stay tuned. Check it out. Just checking out the views. That's the muddy waters right there. Bike running good. Looks good. Just out and about, y'all. No particular destination, just out riding. Seeing what I can get into, seeing what I can find. Weather's nice. Hey, no rain. You can't beat it. Alright, y'all, so I decided to stop by this Caribbean restaurant for lunch. I haven't been by here in a while. I mean, it's been some years, and it was good then. So I'm gonna try it again and just to see if they still have that good Caribbean taste like they had back in the day. Time, guys. Our key saltfish, broccoli, mashed potatoes. I'm at Southern Caribbean restaurant, Jamaican style. All that. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one.